All right, listen, if you are in crypto right now in 2025, 2026, these may be the most important years for you to actually make profits so you can make money, get rid of that loan, or even make enough money so you can start a career when it comes to crypto. And you need a reliable crypto exchange, whether you're in the US, whether you're in Europe, whether you're wherever, you need a reliable, trustworthy exchange to accompany you on your journey, to respond to your actions so you have a chance to actually make it. And believe me, you don't have much time when it comes to this bull market. You need a long-term solution. So today we're going to be talking about Phemex. We're going to be talking about Mimex. It works wherever you are. I'm going to show you some secrets, so make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Fiat. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Fiat.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about Phemex. And look, this is gonna be a no fluff, no BS video. I'm gonna show you how to use Phemex. I'm gonna show you some features. I'm gonna show you some hidden features that no one's talking about. I guarantee you. And we're gonna get right into it because this is important because you may not have enough time. You're gonna wanna go long, you're gonna wanna short. Markets are gonna start moving aggressively and you have to be ready. So let's get started. All right, so here we are at Phemex. They say they are the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. Let's put this platform here to the test. And if at any time you want to join up and you want to try this for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It will give you a massive bonus and some other benefits, so make sure you use that link. All right, so as you can see, on Phemex, you can buy crypto using banks, cards, or P2P, that's peer-to-peer. You can do spot trading, meaning you can buy and sell top cryptocurrencies. You can do contract trading, that means 100x leverage. You can do margin trading with low-cost borrowing. You have welcome rewards up to $8,800 using my referral link down below. And of course, you can refer other people so you can actually earn referral bonuses, kind of like what I'm doing in this video. I'm showing you how to use it in hopes you sign up so you can support the crypto factor, so I can support you, so we can win. We can all win because we are all crypto. We are family. I'm not gonna sing, I'm not gonna do that. Let's just keep on going. And the first thing you're gonna notice, they're actually up to date here. Look, new listing with Vine. Vine is actually going crazy right now. People are paying attention to Vine, and you can actually trade this right now. And you can also get it in Mimex. And Mimex is actually quite revolutionary. We're gonna be talking about this a little later in this video, but it's a way to buy memes decentralized before they hit exchanges. Before they even come on this exchange, you can actually use Mimex. It's actually mind-blowing, and I will get into it in just a second. And there are also prize pools, so while you're trading, you might actually win some surprises. But that's not all. If we just go on over here and scroll, look at this. Phemex listed Trump and Melania, and you have a $50,000 airdrop rainfall. So they actually reward you for participating here. You have a lending protocol as well. You can borrow money. You can actually borrow and supply crypto with ease. This comes very much in handy. You can trade notes. This is actually new. We'll talk about that later. Basically, you see different types of announcements. As you can see, they are pretty active. Enjoy zero fee on Phemex credit card deposits, trading competitions, and so much more. So the cool thing about Phemex, it is extremely fast and extremely easy to use. Let me take you inside the platform so you can see for yourself here. First of all, if we scroll down here, you can actually see they make crypto trading easy, and you can get started in 3 simple steps. Number 1, you create your account, and you actually claim a bonus up to $8,800, like I told you. Again, the referral link, I'm pimping myself here. My referral link is in the description down below. I'll leave it in the chat as well. I'll leave it pinned in the chat. Yes, I'm shamelessly plugging myself here. 2, you can buy crypto. You can instantly buy crypto through peer-to-peer or bank transfer using your local fiat. And 3, you start trading. That's pretty much it, and you can do it up to 100x leverage. They also have different products that you can go through over here, and you can also grow your income with Phemex Earn. As you can see, you can actually stake and get an APY up to 436% per year. And you can generate stable income with crypto savings accounts. This is actually quite powerful here. So you can put your USDT or your USDC. So after this bull run, you can actually take your profits of USDT or USDC and actually put them in Phemex, and they actually earn you an income. Of course, these are sold out right now, but there are other ones that come to the platform all the time. So let's have a look at the platform and see how it works. First of all, you can buy crypto. As you can see, you can do a one-click buy or sell. You just verify your identity over here. Don't worry, it's very simple. It's light KYC, and you can even use your Palau ID card. Yes, it's supported. You select your desired currency and crypto, and then you just pay with Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or whatever you want over here. Another way to do this is you can do a fiat deposit. Again, you verify your identity. And by the way, if you are in the US, and I'm telling you this for security purposes to protect yourself, because you never know what happens, always use a VPN when you're in crypto, because you need to protect your identity. Because if something gets hacked and they can take your identity, there's a lot that can go wrong. So make sure you use a VPN and set it to any country you want so you can actually use this platform. And yes, you can use this platform with a VPN, and yes, you can use your Palau ID for extra protection. Of course, you're responsible for this, so make sure you do your own research, but I'm just telling you that it can be done. So you deposit your fiat over here, you do your wire transfer, and it's there in 1 or 2 days. You can also use a credit card or debit card, and this is a very, very low commission rate. Or you can even do peer-to-peer trading. So if you are in Dubai like me, I'm in between countries, of course, you can say, I want to pay 4,000 AED, I want to receive 1,000 USDT, I can buy with 0 fees, click buy, and it will find your matching orders. So you can actually do this peer-to-peer as well. No credit cards, no debit cards, no banks, no nothing, and that's actually quite cool. Then you have the markets over here, and here you can see what's going on in the markets. You have an overview, and as you can see, I don't know if you noticed, this is working very, very fast. You have your contracts over here, you have perpetuals, coin M, you can copy trade people over here. There are trading bots now, there's leaderboards and so on. There's even mock trading, so you can try it out and see if it's for you. In other words, you can actually use fake money, but actually play the markets as they were real, as if they were real, as if it was real money, so you can see if you can actually trade your way to actually make money, or if you will, if you get wrecked, maybe it's not for you, or maybe you want to try it out first before you actually commit to this exchange. Then you have spot. We'll talk about this in just 1 second. There's earn. We already talked about that if you want to make passive income. There's Web3. There's Phemex Pulse. This is new. And you have a whole bunch of options here, a whole bunch of features that other exchanges simply don't have. An academy, of course, you have promotions and so on. But let's see if we want to trade. So I have an account on here right now as we speak, because I've been testing this out to see if it's going to be one of the exchanges I'll be using, and it is, because I like it. So right now, if we go to my account and we go to my spot account, you can see I actually have $1,820 or so right into this account. I'm in Fetch, Deep, and Move right now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually sell Move, for example, on spot and get into Fetch. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to go to Move. I'm not telling you this is the trade to do. If you have Move and you sell it for Fetch and then Move blasts off and goes sky high, don't blame me. This is like a demo. A demo as in, yes, it's real, but I'm just showing you how this works. I'll probably buy my Move back on another exchange or bring money over and buy Move back. But I'm just saying, okay? Don't just say, oh my God, he's got Fetch, so let's go all in. Let's go all in on Deepbook. No, do your research, watch my other videos. Let me just make sure you understand that. So it's as simple as going to trade over here. Now I want to market sell this, so I'm going to market sell my Move, 100% of it. I'm going to click sell Move, and boom, look how fast this is. Done. If I go back to my wallet here now, you can see it's now in my wallet. I have the USDT, and the Move is gone. Let's say I want to buy this Move back. But let's say, so I go back here, I go to trade, I'm gonna market by this, market all the way 100%, buy Move, confirm, and boom, now I just bought it again. If I go to my spot wallet over here again, you'll see that my move is now back. There you go, $389 of it. And as you can see, the fees were pretty small. Now, when I say market sell and market buy, basically what that means is you buy at the best price available. So it buys up as much as it can at that particular moment. You can also set limit buys or limit sells, which basically take a specific price and you buy at that price. So you wait for the price to get there, for example, and then you can set up stop losses and so on. If this sounds all Chinese to you, don't worry, I have a translator. No, just kidding. But if this sounds Chinese to you, don't worry. I'm gonna actually show you how to trade using Phemex in an upcoming video where I explain all this to you, what market is, what limit is, what a stop loss is, how you can actually trade using an exchange like Phemex. I'm going to be doing that, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss that video. But let me show you something very interesting. If you look over here, it says meme balance. If I click this over here, it will take you to something very new and very revolutionary. See, over here, this is on Solana right now. These are all meme coins. And what you can actually do, you can actually buy these meme coins right now before they're even listed on the exchange or any exchange. Basically, this is decentralized. So you have a centralized platform. You can buy and sell meme coins before they get on exchanges in a decentralized way. What does this mean? This means it takes all the complexity of different chains, of the know-how, how to go, smart contracts, this, that. It does everything for you. You do it in a decentralized way. You do it in USDT. You buy and sell in USDT. You can't take that meme coin and take it on another platform, but you have access to that meme coin before it even gets on the exchange. And that is huge. It's called Mimex. It is so good it should be illegal because it gives you an unfair advantage. It's called Mimex, and I actually have a video talking about it, showing you how to use it, and that video is right here. Listen, check out this video. You don't want to miss this video. Make sure you subscribe for more Phemex videos. They are our official sponsor for a while now. They're going to be sponsoring some of our videos, so make sure you watch this video and make sure you sign up to Phemex, and I'll see you in the next video.